India's first bullet train project update, earthquake safety, seismometers, and rolling stock depots. The Mumbai-Ahmedabad high-speed rail corridor, MASRC, commonly known as the Bullet Train Project, is poised to transform India's transportation landscape. It is making groundbreaking strides in ensuring passenger safety and infrastructure protection. As per news reports of January 30, 2024, the recent developments reveal a concerted effort by the National High-Speed Rail Corporation Limited, NHRSCL, to implement cutting-edge safety measures, particularly with the integration of a revolutionary early earthquake detection system. This system, inspired by Japanese Shinkansen technology, comprises 28 strategically placed seismometers aimed at fortifying the project against seismic events. This report delves into the intricate details of this seismic safety initiative, along with an exploration of the rolling stock depots, to provide a comprehensive understanding of the project's trajectory. Hi friend. Welcome back to SciTech Buzz 1 channel. We wish to sincerely thank all the new subscribers of this channel. We have observed that 97% of our viewers haven't subscribed to our channel. If you haven't as yet subscribed, kindly consider doing so, after watching this video, since it would encourage us to do more. Watch this interesting video until the end so that you will not miss out on all the details. Project progress and timeline. The Bullet Train Project, announced in 2017, initially set its operational target for 2023. However, due to certain factors, the launch date has been pushed to 2026. Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw has recently expressed satisfaction with the project's progress, citing the completion of 272 kilometers of viaduct out of the total 508 km long route. Notably, out of 8 rivers on the route, 5 of them have been bridged, marking significant milestones in this ambitious venture. The minister reiterated that the deadline to complete the section between Surat and Bilamora is 2026 and the work is progressing according to the schedule. For those interested in more information regarding the Bullet Train Project, please find more videos in our channel's playlist available at the end of this video, which deals with this subject. Earthquake Early Warning System. The groundbreaking early earthquake detection system, integrated into the Mumbai-Ahmedabad Bullet Train Project, is a milestone in Indian railway safety. Developed in collaboration with Japanese experts and inspired by Shinkansen technology, this system comprises 28 seismometers strategically placed along the high-speed rail line. 6 of these seismometers will be deployed in known earthquake hotspots, including Adesar and Old Budge in Gujarat and Keed, Ratnagiri, Latur, and Pangri in Maharashtra. These locations were meticulously chosen based on a comprehensive survey conducted by Japanese experts, targeting regions with a historical seismic activity exceeding 5.5 magnitudes over the past century. The remaining 22 seismometers will be systematically installed along the entire route of the Mumbai-Ahmedabad high-speed rail corridor. Gujarat will see 14 installation points, encompassing key locations like Vapi, Surat, Bhadoch, and Ahmedabad. In Maharashtra, 8 seismic monitoring devices will be strategically positioned in Mumbai, Thane, Virar, and Boisar. This extensive seismometer network aims to provide an early warning system, triggering an automatic power shutdown and emergency brakes to enhance passenger safety during seismic events. Analyzing the earthquake early warning system. The implementation of the early earthquake detection system reflects a proactive approach to passenger safety and infrastructure protection. Anjum Pervez, the managing director of NHSRCL, underscored the innovation and the project's commitment to safeguarding critical infrastructure by drawing inspiration from Japanese Shinkansen technology. The strategic placement of seismometers along the corridor and in known earthquake-prone areas showcases a meticulous risk mitigation strategy. This early warning system ensures a swift response to seismic events, minimizing potential risks and disruptions. The emphasis on passenger safety aligns with global best practices and establishes the Mumbai-Ahmedabad Bullet Train Project as a frontrunner in safety innovation. Seismometers for enhanced safety. Delving deeper into the seismometer deployment strategy, the focus on earthquake-prone areas with a history of seismic activity greater than 5.5 magnitudes over the past century indicates a data-driven, risk-centric approach. The collaboration with Japanese experts adds a layer of global expertise, ensuring that the system is not only tailored to Indian seismic patterns but also draws from international best practices. The 22 seismometers along the alignment contribute to a comprehensive early warning network. This strategic coverage ensures that the entire high-speed rail corridor is equipped to respond swiftly to seismic events, minimizing potential damage and enhancing passenger safety. The meticulous planning and execution of the early earthquake detection system underscore the project's commitment to technological innovation and safety benchmarks. Rolling stock depots, advancing infrastructure development. In conjunction with seismic safety measures, the Mumbai-Ahmedabad bullet train project has achieved another milestone with the approval for the design and construction of a rolling stock depot in Thane. As per news reports of January 17, 2024, this initiative, a joint venture between the state government and M/S Dinesh Chandra, draws inspiration from Japan's Shinkansen depots, exemplifying a commitment to global best practices. The Thane depot, sprawling over 55 hectares, stands as a testament to environmentally conscious infrastructure development. The incorporation of solar panels aligns with global environmental considerations, showcasing a commitment to sustainable practices. The facility will cater to light maintenance of train sets, with initial plans including 4 inspection and 10 stabling lines, expanding to 8 and 31 lines, respectively, in the future. Advancements in depot construction. Beyond Thane, 2 additional depots at Sabarmati and Surat further highlight the project's commitment to comprehensive infrastructure development. The Sabarmati depot, with an impressive area of 83 hectares, is designed to handle both light and heavy maintenance of train sets. The Surat depot, covering 40 hectares, will play a crucial role in receiving the first train sets from Japan and serve as a commissioning facility. The Sabarmati depot's capacity for both light and heavy maintenance positions it as a pivotal facility in the long-term sustainability of the high-speed rail corridor. The commitment to future expansion, with plans to increase stabling lines from 10 to 29, further underscores the project's foresight and scalability. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Mumbai-Ahmedabad bullet train project represents a paradigm shift in India's approach to high-speed rail transportation. The integration of a cutting-edge early earthquake detection system, inspired by Japanese Shinkansen technology, showcases the project's commitment to global safety standards. The strategic placement of seismometers, backed by data from Japanese experts, demonstrates a meticulous risk mitigation strategy. Simultaneously, the approval for rolling stock depots in Thane, Sabarmati, and Surat underscores the project's commitment to comprehensive infrastructure development. The incorporation of environmentally conscious practices, such as solar panels in Thane, adds an extra layer of responsibility to the project. As the project progresses toward its 2026 launch date, these initiatives collectively position the Mumbai-Ahmedabad high-speed rail corridor as a flagship project, not only in India but on the global stage. The integration of safety measures and sustainable infrastructure development sets a precedent for future high-speed rail projects, showcasing India's commitment to cutting-edge technology, safety, and environmental responsibility. Stay tuned for further developments on this project. Do let us know your thoughts on the subject in the comments section. My friend, if you have found any value in this video, then kindly click on like button as an encouragement to create better quality content. Please share this video amongst your family members, friends, and in your social media network so that this information might benefit others. Don't forget to subscribe to SciTech Buzz 1 channel so that you will not miss out on any of our forthcoming videos. Thank you.